Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's look, I'm going to just be doing a quick gunmetal smoky eye with a bit of a graphic liner. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm taking this little brush by Prado's Beauty and Grip Set and Refresh Spray by Milk. This was gifted to me. Thank you, Milk, and thank you, Prado's, for these amazing brushes. I'm just gonna spritz my brush just a little bit because I'm going in with, this is the Milk Color Chalk in the color Trampoline, which is a really beautiful like gunmetal gray. I'm wetting my brush in order to pick up more product. So with this product, you can use it dry and it'll go on a little bit more sheer, but I want it to be a bit more intense. So I'm just loading up my brush and I'm gonna apply it from my lash line, over my lid, and into my crease. And I'm pulling it out slightly because I want to create this shape. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go in with the liner and that'll really solidify the shape. And you can build it up to whatever opacity that you like. I think these are so beautiful because when you move, it picks up slight different colors. So just with one product, you look like you used quite a few. Just load up my brush again. I'm gonna throw that underneath as well. I'm not going as intense underneath because I want to keep it a little bit smokier. I love this liquid liner by NYX Cosmetics. It's the Epic Wear. It goes on so fast, so dark. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna run this along my lash line. Pretty tight, but still giving a little bit of thickness. And I'm gonna wing that up. I wanna make sure that it matches the other side, so I just give myself a little guide. And then connect to that first line that you put down so that it wings up ever so slightly. And then from the outer tip, I'm gonna follow the crease. And I'm not bringing it all the way in. I went in a little bit too far, but that's easy to rectify. You just go back in with the Trampoline, that first color. And just kind of smudge that out. Then load up a mascara. I've been loving Superhero by IT Cosmetics. This was a gift, but this video isn't sponsored. But it really is my favorite mascara at the moment. It lengthens, it curls, it goes on super fast, it doesn't transfer. I can't say enough about it. For my cheeks, I'm using this color here. This is by Prado's Beauty. And I'm just using a really light, fluffy brush. These are very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. And I just apply it mainly to the apples of the cheeks, and then with what's left on my brush, I'll bring it up to follow my contour. I already did my foundation and everything, but I did just post a video that goes through step by step all of the products for skincare and foundation that I use for lips. Nude 2, KKW Beauty. And I just smudge it with my finger. This is another color chalk by Milk in the color Hopscotch. These, they say that you can use on your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. So I'm just adding a little bit of frost, and then I'll take a little bit on my fingertip. And this makes a beautiful highlight as well. But I love that you can wear these on the lips because it also sets your lip liner so it ends up wearing longer throughout the day. Then you can take that same setting spray that you use to activate the eyeshadow. It just gives a really nice freshness. And I love setting sprays because it makes your makeup look like, you know how it looks a little bit better after you sat in it for a little bit, like 15 minutes, that does it immediately. Okay, so that's it. This is just a quick gunmetal graphic eyeshadow look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to see me do something, please leave them in the comments. And like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.